Hey, Joe from Nine Hill Tech here. We're going to talk today about the Edge Scout Mini. There was some question about wanting to see this thing work in the real world, so let's show that off. One thing I want to mention is this is the Mini. This is just stuck on the back of this phone, no problem. This is the Edge Scout Bravo. They're functionally equivalent. There's nothing that this can do that this can't do, and vice versa, except for this has its own internal battery, so you can power it up. But this will do Bluetooth if you externally power it, but it's also super simple to connect. So this isn't even on. I'm just going to set that there. I'm going to record the screen, so the screen will be somewhere in the frame. Probably speed it up because you're probably not going to want to watch me fly around, but I'll show you how quickly it updates, and we'll kind of show the whole connection process. So here we go. Should be seeing the screen. All I'm going to do is I'm just going to plug this thing in. That's it. When I do that, you're going to see allow access. Yep, it's connected. That's all there is to it. And so if I go to Drone Home in my device manager, you can see it's connected. And we'll put this up. We'll start flying around. And then probably what I'll do is I will show how quickly it's updating. Maybe that's what I'll do. So that maybe that's a little bit more informative. Okay, so here we go. We got our, what is this? DJI Mini 4 Pro. Okay, so nothing special about it other than just it's what we have right now. So I'm just gonna turn this on. Hopefully we don't blow everything away. Do it on the truck. It's very snowy here. Okay, and maybe we'll do this. So what we're going to see is when we take off, it's going to say like home point updated. And when that happens, we should see the drone basically immediately. And then let's see how quickly we can track the thing. So let the controller fire up here. And let's do it. So okay. Also we have Noodle. This is Noodle, the Nine Hill Tech dog. There she is. She's very cute. Okay, anyway, back to the real thing here.
Home point updated.
Oh, there we go. Okay, so we're going to just take off. Okay, I just took off, and you can see we have it already. So I'm just going to kind of zip around here a little bit. Some other stuff we can show here. Why don't we show some of the speed stuff here as well? So now we'll go up and down a little bit, so we get some vertical speed. Now we'll do both. So one of the cool things is that this will show you where the pilot is as well, as you can see from that thing.
Max flight distance reached.
Okay, so zip through. Fly backwards.
Max altitude reached.
Okay, so hopefully you can kind of get an idea of how this thing performs in the real world. Now, if there were multiple drones, it would pick up multiple drones without a problem. Okay. So now we'll kind of come in for a landing here. And So this is no longer emitting signal anymore since it's landed. It doesn't update the signal anymore. Sometimes it'll report. Well, sometimes some aircraft will report their status or changes in status, but it's not really required. So that's it. As you can see, we're not getting any more updates because it's landed. And that is it. Let me know what you guys want to see next.